Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit Garmin watch face on your watch, and in another video I will show you also how you can do that on your phone. So let's jump in right now into our watch. So I will hold up the uh, middle button on the left, so the upper button, which will drive us to the menu, and the first one, as you can see, is watch face. So the first option, select with the action button right now, like that. Now up and down, and you will select here, as you can see, some watch face which you prefer, like that. When you find one, press start stop and select. You can also, okay, so this one is not optional, so let's go with a different one, so maybe this one. And as you can see here, you can customize it, so you have dial hands data, so you can drive through the menu here, as you can see, and changing the light. So no background color. We have dials hands, maybe this one, as you can see, I can change that, and so on. So this is basically how you can change the watch face on your watch. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.